Hi, I'm Josh Udy. I'm an ATNZ apprentice and my host company is Uniplace. I've always had a passion for hands-on work. I mean, my granddad was a builder. One of my first presents I remember was a toolkit from him, and then from there, I got into tech at school and engineering at school, and I got good grades there, and I just had a passion for it. I looked into toolmaking, I saw what it was about, and I thought that was good for me, and so I applied and I got the job. I think there's a good amount of learning to hands-on work in an apprenticeship. I mean, obviously you do a 40-hour week at work, and then you go on and you go home and you sit down and maybe do an hour of bookwork a night or 2 or 3 nights a week, and it all comes together. My account manager Dave comes around once a month and he checks up on me, make sure I'm doing all my bookwork and make sure I've got all the right safety equipment, and that everything's going right. And if I ever have any problems, he's always there. I can always send him a message or give him a ring, and yeah, he's always there for me. I think being an apprentice is awesome because you get to earn while you learn and you don't go into debt like uni students do. I think you need to be self-motivated. I think you need to be willing to put in work, but at the end of it, it all pays off because you get qualified, and if it's something that you're passionate about, you'll really enjoy it and you'll have fun doing what you do. So a typical day for me, I'll usually come in 7:30, and I'll start on a machine, so either a CNC machine or on the lathe or just one of the manual mills, and work on a job, and if I finish that job, there's always plenty more to do. So there's plenty of variety for me, and I'm never short of work to do. I make plastic injection moulds, so I make moulds that make plastic parts. Toolmaking is a very broad field. The coolest thing I've worked on is probably props for movies. It's about as much as I can say though. I enjoy the challenge of working with fine tolerances. You know, working with 0.001 of a millimetre is quite fine, so it's a challenge, and it's something that I like doing. So from here, once I'm qualified, I'm looking at doing a bit of pneumatics and automation, learning how to do a bit of robotics, and from there, you know, I can build some robots for the factory, and also a bit of tool design. So working a bit more with SolidWorks and designing tools. To be a qualified engineer, I think it's awesome just to have that qualification, just something to your name, and get paid.